Let's see if I can help you open it.
I want to need a little bit of blue, okay?
Okay. Did you make a Band-Aid? Oh, that's great.
Look.
I love it.
Look at Stuffy.
Stuffy got hurt and needed a Band-Aid?
That's why. Well, you want to show me the box on the back?
Oh yeah, let's take a look at the box.
See? There?
Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, you doing another Band-Aid?
Here's the stethoscope. I'm going to do it to Stuffy.
Okay. What's it tell you?
See, also you can make Lambie. Okay, let's put a heart on Lambie, okay?
Okay.
There's a heart here. So shall you try it?
Oh, alright.
But I'll need him. Guess what? Guess what's inside here?
What is it? Oh, what's that you made?
I gotta see how Stuffy is growing.
Oh, you're measuring how tall he is?
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice.
I think that's how he grows.
Oh, good.
Here's... Is that awesome? And look! Can I make that little blue thing?
Oh, what is that?
It's one of these part of characters. Let's check. Let's check his.
What do you want to check?
It is the snowman, but I don't know his name. Okay.
Okay.
I want to try the squeezer.
Oh, good idea.
Here's a squeezer, if you want to try it.
Okay. Okay, what should we squeeze through the squeezer? Should we squeeze purple?
Yes.
Okay.
Look what I made. I made that.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
Oh, show me. Show the camera. Yeah. Oh, not so close. There we go. Yeah, that's cool.
I'm trying making a...
What color heart should I make?
What?
What color should I use to make a heart?
How about you try blue, then purple, the squeeze.
Okay, should I do the heart first or the squeezer first?
Squeezer.
Okay, here's the squeezer. Let's see here. Some of this.
Say, where's the pencil? Say that.
Oh, where's the pencil?
Guess what? I have the perfect tool to make a pencil.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, show the camera. Is it part of the doctor's kit? Oh, not so close. There you go. Yeah.
And now I'll show you what's inside. Look at all these boards.
Oh yeah, show the camera.
Here's the pencils.
Show the camera.
See?
Oh yeah.